Hey guys, and look what I found. I found a 1990 something Ford Explorer Expedition right here. This has been sitting here for a few days and stuff like that. I don't know if she starts or anything like that, but she's old. And somebody did a really nice backing up job. And look at that panel gap. So, yeah. Wonder if anybody's in here. No, and no. So, I mean, let's go start her up, I guess. If they left Jingletrons behind. The tire looks a wee flat, as you guys can see. I don't know if she has plates. She doesn't have plates. I love that old Ford grill, by the way. I don't know how many miles she has on the clock, but yeah. And I wonder if this has the old 4.6 or the old 5.4 under the hood. The Triton, yeah. And nope, no plates in the back, so she's abandoned. So yeah, guys, I think there's gonna be a way inside. So without further ado, let's hop inside. Whoa, 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 go away. All right. Boy. Well, no keys ignition. The lumbar support's like all the way down. There's the back. I guess they just dumped this here. And I don't know what's with all these holes. Oh, that's like no brake life left. Guys, look at the brake. Watch the brake pedal. I'm guessing no keys or anything like that. Nope. Auto, high, low, 6-speed auto. She does have shift lock, which is basically for idiots that put their car in neutral instead of park and park instead of neutral and so on and so forth. But yeah, she looks pretty nice. Oopsie, zooms out. But yes, she seems pretty nice for an old Ford. And no keys. Yeah, no keys. And why would you have your mirror up like that? That's weird. And it only has 100,216,000 original miles. Huh. Not that much on this 22-year-old truck. 24-year-old truck. Oh wait, does it have telescoping? Let's see if it's telescoping. No, it only has up down. Oh well. But it does have overdrive. But I'm surprised. Well, the worst smokers, go get cancer and go die in a hole, please. Yep, the worst smokers. Yeah, but no sense of keys or anything like that, so yeah. We can take ourselves around the truck. I wonder what it has under the hood, actually. Hood release. Where are you, hood release? Brake release. You know what that does. I guess it's so old it has to have the hood thingy. I guess it's jammed shut, so yeah, guys, that is it on this 1984 Ford Expedition. Be sure to tell your friends to subscribe and view.